Hello everyone, so if you want to change the straps on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9, first of all you have to turn over your band. Here you'll see two buttons which will help us to do this, so simply press on the button and gently take off the strap. It goes very easily and smoothly. Now do the same with the other strap. Press the button and remove it, just like this. Easy as that. Now to put some new straps, or like I do, I'll just put the same ones. Also, you can use straps from Xiaomi Band 8 if you have one, right? So grab your strap, find a port for the strap, right? Let's call it this way, and simply enable it until you hear the click, just like this, and do the same with the other one. Alright, and basically that's it. That's how you change your straps on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.